Good afternoon, tree lovers. I'm Joel Manziel with the Tree Planters at treeplanters.com, and I'm here in Delray Beach finding very unique looks that you might be able to use at your house and in your yard. This is what is it? What is it? Who knows? It's a bougainvillea full of flower. What's fascinating about this particular bougainvillea is that it's planted over there in that little tiny bed, but the whole tree is hanging over on this side. So let's just show you. It looks like over here. And you'll see nothing is over here on this side. The whole tree is planted over here on this side. There's no flower right there. All of the flower is over here. Check it out. What a stunning look. So only you know your yard. I don't. I'm here to show you things that can be done with a little bit of creativity. We can do this for you. Give us a call. Check us out at treeplanters.com. Reach out to us from there, and we'll make something like this happen for you. Have a great day.